Hey guys, so starting soon, I'm going to be starting a new little playlist of things that I said I wanted to try out, which is horror movie reviews, recommendations, and all that. I would always wanted to do this. I talked about this about like a year or two ago when I was doing my paranormal story times. So figured I'm going to let you guys know that I plan on starting that soon. If you guys have any requests, definitely let me know down below. But I have a list of things. I got them all written down, well, typed out, I should say. And I am excited because there's a lot of movies that, some are cult classics, and then some I feel like need way more hype. And I absolutely love. I've always been a huge horror movie fan. It's my favorite genre. I just love it over everything. Horror movies are my thing. It's just what I love to do. I like to go to sleep every night watching a horror movie. It's just, I am that person. I absolutely love it. 80s horror is my absolute favorite genre. So those of you who are wondering, that is my favorite. So I'll probably focus majority of that. I'll get into some newer things, but you know, just bear with me when I first start, because I'm still gonna have to like figure out the copyright stuff, and I'm pretty sure it's like fair use, so you can use like clips and all that. Just give me a chance to kind of work it out where at first I might go with still images and all that, and maybe then eventually with some clips and all that, but just give me a chance to kind of work it out, edit it, and make it look good. But it'll get better as time goes on, like hopefully how my other videos did. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think it'll be fun. I told you guys I wanted to add some other features to this channel other than just beauty and hair and makeup, because, you know, there's more aspects to a person than just like one thing. So I'm so excited. Like I said, let me know down below if there's any requests you guys want to know, and I can't wait to start some videos like this. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.